Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, my name is Alpha. Now we are in episode 20. So you want to retrieve the products to the public. I will do the copy and paste so that it will be faster. So at first I want to copy the castle sender. Then I'll paste here on a .com dev lesson. Then I'll write a public products receiver. Then I'll rename. Also now you want to change the XML file. So we come to layout. Also we look for castle sender. Then we just copy this in case. Then we paste here. Then we change this to public products receiver. Okay, so now we want to remove all this file inside here. I want to paste my files here. Then I'll come to manifest. So we want to call to add the activity to the manifest. So I'll say activity. Then I'll say public product receiver. Then I'll close. So now I want to change this also to public products receiver. Also on a Java side, I want to change this to public product receiver. Also now I want to paste some code here. So as you know, you can get this code by downloading this code. You can download this file from my application. So now I'll copy all this file. Then I'll paste it here. So I'll delete this one. So this menu is still empty. Then I will change this one to public products drawer menu. So these are the lottie files. So I want to add this lottie and this one for calling. So I'll copy this file. Then I'll add them to my row. So I'll close this. So now I want to remove some other files here. I want to remove So now it depends on you. If you want to use this type of loading of querying data, you can use this one. Also, if you want to use this one, we used for this one we used for profiles. So you can use for profiles. So I'll also show you. So now. So now let's say limit to so you can say a limit to first, for example, you can say first 20, but this one is too much for Firebase, so you need to use the query. But for example, if you want to make a 15 to display only 15, then you can display only 15. But also, if you don't want to limit the user, you can query the data using the different ones. We load more items using this type of for example, using this type of fetching data. So for now, I will show you using this one. Then after this, then we'll use the different one. So now so now our this file is now ready. So now let me connect to this button. So we come to cancel adapter. Then we come to here on our bottom dialog view. So this is the bottom dialog. So now I want to add the button here. So it's very simple. I'll call the button inside here. I'll say button, then I'll say launch btn equals to dialog. So on our car profiles here, we want to duplicate this. So we need the email here. Okay, so we call this email. Okay, then we'll edit here. Also we call email here. Okay, so now we want to fetch this data. So if you are submitting the profile, then we add also the email and password. So on this side we need to add this email. So I'll copy this, then I'll come to utils under vehicles here. I'll add my email here. Okay, so I'll just simply remove this. So I'll insert the constructor here, then I'll add all. Also I need getters and setters. So okay, so now it's ready. Let me save the project. So what I want to capture here, I want to capture this email. So I'll say profile data dot get email. Then here on a password I'll say profile data dot get password. Okay, so by doing this we need the progress dialog. So I'll create a dialog here on which we no longer need this. Then I'll call the progress dialog here. Then I'll call the progress dialog also here. I want Okay, so here I will add a plus. Then I want to add the profile data dot get. We need the profile name. Okay, then we add another plus. Then we add a string. So loading username products. Okay, so we need also a space here. Then we continue to progress dialog dot set message. Then we say please wait a moment. Okay, so now after this we want to use our splash screen. So I want to use the splash screen, or I can duplicate this splash screen. So I can duplicate this. Then I'll say splash screen public. Okay, so we'll create a logic here, but for now let's say okay, so now we will add a countdown timer here. So but for now let's pass this. Then we came here. So now I want to show my progress dialog. So I'll make on touch outside, I'll make it to false. Okay, then now also I want to come to my manifest here on my public receiver. I'll disable the action bar, the bar of our product receiver. Also also I want to disable on this splash screen. Okay, so now I want to change some settings here. I'll come to my menu, to my home screen, to my first activity of our main activity. Then I want to come on okay, here if the user is logged in, we want to call the splash screen of the public. Okay, so now it's ready. So now I designed this part of card view so that you view the products without using the admin. So now we want to add this on a drawer layout. So I'll add a drawer layout here. So what I want to add here is very simple. On our public drawer, we want to use this profile. So what I want to add this code. I want to add this. So I'll add it here so that we will be able to go to home, so that we select different items. Then also I'll come to my products. I'll enable this. So this is the only part that I need to use, and now it's fine. So now let's try to test. Before that, you come to cancel adapter, then you want to change to add the public product view. So I'll come here, then I'll call my product public view. Okay, so now it's ready. So now it's ready. Let me run the project. Okay, so I'm getting the data and it's working well. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video where we are modifying this product activity.